Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Dasua, and today I am in front of you in a form of a presentation to tell you the solution of August answer key, the August assessment of political science that was held few days back. So link 1, there was 50 questions, and the first question, what is politics? Study of power. Why there is need of political theory? To understand the political reality, which is must for the successful working of democracy. Yes, we people, vigilant citizens. Do you think a good convincing argument can compel others to listen to you? Yes, sure. What is the origin of the word politics? Greek word. Which is the traditional view of politics? Formal. Who called the father of political science? Aristotle. Which is the main problem of modern political theory? Lack of scientific theory. What is the main role of political theory in politics? To understand the political phenomena. Identify the utility of political theory. Simplify the knowledge. Who wrote Hind Swaraj? Mahatma Gandhi. The freedom is guaranteed in Constitution. Political theorists clarify the meaning of political concepts by looking at how they are understood. What do you mean by freedom? Freedom to whatever a person likes to do, but within the constraints. Personal liberty means food, clothing, marriage. When was Constitution introduced? 1950. Who was the champion of natural liberty? The one and only Rousseau. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Dash was the greatest leader of South Africa. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela fought for dash years for human rights. 28 years. The title of Nelson Mandela's autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, a wonderful book. The great personality from Myanmar, the wonderful lady Aung San Suu Kyi. And Aung San Suu Kyi wrote Freedom from Fear, wonderful book. Mahatma Gandhi was a source of inspiration for her. Which book was written by J.S. Mill? On Liberty. Deepa Mehta wanted to make a film about widows and Varanasi, that is Banaras. Which of the following statements are true about political theory? The one statement was true only, rest three were false. It discusses ideas that make the basis of political institutions. Do you think studying political theory is like studying mathematics? No, not at all, because there is no calculation in political science. Which right has been interpreted? Interpreted means translated to include right to livelihood, that is right to life. Which right has been guaranteed by the new law? Right to information, RTI 2005. Is there a relationship between freedom of individual and freedom for nation? Yes, there is a close relation. What is the theme of the Long Walk to Freedom? A wonderful book. Personal struggle of Nelson Mandela against apartheid, means against discrimination. Mention the two dimensions of freedom, negative and positive dimensions. What is feminist? A political doctrine or a policy of equal rights of men and women. You can also write that kind of a movement which was launched by the women for the equal opportunity for men as well as for women. Next question number 34. A government report on farmers' problem says that the small and marginal farmers cannot get food price from the market. It recommends that the government should intervene matlab interfere, to ensure a better price, but only for small and marginal farmers. Is this recommendation consistent with the principle of equality? Yes. Here are some arguments in favor of the right to vote for women. Which of these are consistent with the idea of equality? Women are our mothers, and we shall not disrespect our mothers by denying them right to vote. Which of the following arguments can be used to justify state action to provide basic minimum conditions of life to all citizens? Providing all citizens with a basic minimum standard of living in one way of ensuring equality of opportunity. Who was Glaucon? A friend of Socrates, famous thinker of ancient Greece. Who wrote The Republic? Plato. Who was Immanuel Kant? German philosopher. Who was conscious? Confucius was Chinese philosopher. Who was John Rawls? Political philosopher. Actually, he introduced veil of ignorance. Which article in the Constitution of India guaranteed all persons equality before law? Article 14. Justice was associated with dharma. Yes. John Rawls discussed the theory of just distribution. Veil of ignorance was well described by John Rawls. A just society is that society in which ascending of reverence and descending of contempt is dissolved into a creation of the compassionate society. Quote by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, my dear, this quotation was at the very last where the chapter was finished. Justice implies something which it is not only right to do or wrong to do, but which some individual person can claim from us as the moral duty. Statement was given by J.S. Mill, John Stuart Mill. Question number 48. Article 14 describes the equality before law. Actually, the same question repeated which I have asked you earlier, but the molding form. Now the question is in a molding form. Who was in favor of special protection of minorities? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, SCBC people. Gandhian principles find a place in directive principle of state policies. Yes, DPSP. Now question number 21, link 2. The question was about vigilant citizens. It is necessary that vigilant citizens are must for successful working of democracy? Yes, because they encounter the corrupt action. Number 2, they form a public opinion by forming association and public meetings. Number 3, they keep a check on the wrong policies issued by the government and corruption. Number 4, they can organize the campaign to negotiate the interest of particular groups. Yes, they aspire to create a better society by debating the action of their representatives. Here, representative means leaders. Now, 3 dimensions of equality, question number 22. Now, we are having 3 dimensions: social, economic and political. In socially, we can say family background and educational factors. Social differences, society which may appear unjust. So, conclusion, we can say gender, caste, religion based discrimination and some natural differences based on alterable. Certain inequalities have been existing for centuries, seem justified and based on natural inequalities, that is, women are considered weaker section than the men. Economic inequality, this is the second dimension. Economic inequality की जब हम बात करते हैं, every time we will talk about the money. So economic inequality exists if there are differences in wealth, money, property and income. It enhances the gap between upper middle and rich and poor people. Measurement of economic inequality. To estimate the number of people who are living below poverty line, that is BPL. To find out the differences between the rich and poor and importance of economic equality. Economic equality guarantees each and everybody equal opportunity. Economic equality reduces the gap between rich and poor, and disparities can make society more violent because of the reforms cannot take place in such a society. Now, third dimension, political equality. It provides equal chance for individual, means you are having right to vote and universal adult franchise. Every individual must have the right to be elected and be representative. Enjoy the right to hold public office without any kind of discrimination except qualification. Now question number 54. I have asked some of the basic principles of equality. How can we treat equal people equally? So principle of treating equal people equally means equal rights and equal treatment to the individual who shares certain characteristics as human beings. Another principle, not to treat any individual on the basis of discrimination on the grounds of caste, color, creed, sex, bar or language. So equal treatment is not the only principle of justice, because some of the circumstances may be appeared to be unjust. If equal treatment is given, that is, some marks to be awarded to all the students of the class if they have appeared in an examination to uniform manner. जैसा कि some of the teachers they are doing in the class, हम उनकी परफॉर्मेंस पे उनको मार्क्स दे देते हैं, ठीक है. तो प्रोपोर्शनेट भी मार्क्स देते हैं. दोज हु आर नॉट डूइंग गुड 30 हैं तो हम +3 ग्रेस लगाकर 33 कर देते हैं. दिस इज इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट फॉर इक्वल. नाउ रॉल्स की थ्योरी, व्हील ऑफ इग्नोरेंस. Rawls argued that the only way we can arrive at a fair and just rule is to imagine ourselves to be a situation. खुद को ऐसी situation में imagine करना जो worse है. Society should be organized despite we do not know position to be occupied in ourselves in the society. हम खुद को upper caste और lower caste, rich और poor, privileged और unprivileged माने. Rawls ने argue किया कि that if we don't know who will be and what options would be available to us in future society, we would support those rules and organization of future society to be fair for all the members of the society. Rawls ने एक और बात कही, since no one knows that would be and what is going to be benefited him, each will envisage the future society from point of view of the worst off. If some people are born with disadvantaged section, अब कुछ पैदा ही ऐसे हुए हैं physically weak हैं, so they will make sense to ensure reasonable opportunity to the weaker section. In the same way, resources available to all persons. It is not easy to erase our identities. Hence, given these human feelings and limitations, it would be better to think of a framework that does not need extraordinary actions. Wheel of ignorance accept the people of things for themselves and select what they consider to be. Now, to be continued, political theory advocates the various views needed, such as a science. As a science, it is analytical scheme, the comparative study of various researches, relative consistent concepts, social and natural entities, ideological and justified practices, and it prepares goals and guidelines for the aspiration and policies make and various level of ideals. Now it prepares the strategies, it prepares the policies, it prepares the programs to meet both the ends and means. It assumes, ये इसमें आपको ऐसा मानता है, suppose करता है the formation of the society and conflicts to be arisen and for the society as well as solution for the particular conflict. Now question number 56 was cartoon based question. Yes, it was quite easy and interesting as well. Now एक class में if the teacher is saying all the students to do same kind of work in a same limited period of time, how could it possible? Because some of the students are God gifted, ठीक है, and some of the students are lazy, some of the students are good in maths, some of the students are good in social sciences or sciences as well. So this picture shows the equal opportunities for all. Here equality means that equal man in the state should get equal and adequate opportunities for realizing his best self, इसका best self. So the state should pass such laws that no one in the state should be denied the opportunity of developing his own genius. No one should be deprived of the opportunities to make progress on the basis of caste, religion, creed, sex, bar or gender. Everybody should be governed by the same of the land and all should be equal in the eyes of law. It means rule of law. Thank you very much. Now I have discussed all the answer key 56 questions including link 1, link 2 and link 3 and I hope you enjoyed and I hope your answers